Hey, and welcome to the show. I'm the Crypto Kid, and in these videos, we take a look at everything Bitcoin and we check out the market of the cryptocurrency world and see what's going on. We also cover news stories and anything big that's happening in the daily crypto scene. So let's check out and see what's going on today, and we'll check out the Bitcoin market cap first. So the Bitcoin ticker here is actually slightly down from yesterday, and that is no surprise considering Bitcoin Gold commenced yesterday, or last night I should say. The fork happened sometime last night, about 6 or 8 to 8 hours ago, and you can see in the overall market cap on coinmarketcap.com that the altcoins are back. So obviously this spike denotes the point where Bitcoin Gold fork split and the chain was created and money was flowing quickly out of Bitcoin into the altcoins. So you can see with Ethereum, that jump happened here, going from about 284 skyrocketing up to about 300 very quickly. And as you can see, it's maintained that price and it's slowly, gradually going up in value. Same with Bitcoin Cash. And I show Bitcoin Cash because there hasn't been too much movement within these forks. And you can see here that, yeah, there was a slight jump from, I think, about 0.04 earlier in the week, but here we're seeing about 0.05, and it jumped just short of 0.06, and that's kind of where we're heading right now, just up to 0.06, which is pretty good for Bitcoin Cash considering it has been on the downslide. But again, if you are looking to move your money into altcoins, just be cautious because after this big pump, a lot of these coins will be dipping back down. Some of them will continue to keep going up, of course. Just be cautious that you are following a plan that you have. For myself, I know that Ethereum is usually somewhere where I go back to, and I am a Bitcoin Cash supporter as well because I do feel that using it as a cash system, meaning actually physically using Bitcoin, it's the way to go. So let's take a look at Coinbase. They came out yesterday with their B2X symbol, but I wanted to show you this. That in the fine print, they do say in the red box here, if the SegWit 2x change is accepted by most users, we may choose to rename the blockchain at a later date. So with that said, they don't know what they're doing. They're taking a side. You know, they have to do something, and they chose to make the SegWit 1x chain BTC, and they've given the SegWit 2x, which was a planned from the New York agreement to upgrade this B2x, which I don't agree with. I feel that Bitcoin is forking into two forks, the SegWit chain, SegWit 1x and SegWit 2x. To keep it simple, I feel they should have created two chains, one SegWit 1 and one SegWit 2. If they want to keep BTC, then they should have called one BTC 1 and one BTC 2. It's just too confusing, and I don't think it's fair to disregard one as being the true Bitcoin and the other as not the true Bitcoin when technically neither are. They're just different ideas of the one. So check me out on the Crypto Kid. I do multiple posts throughout the day trying to stay on top of everything. I just retweeted a post from Cointelegraph in regards to the Royal Bank of Canada, which is just a bank. It's not the actual Bank of Canada. So it's just one banking system in Canada, RBC, just so it doesn't get blown out of proportion. This isn't the entire country here and the entire banking system saying no. But what are they saying? I mean, this is the CEO of the Royal Bank of Canada, RBC, David McKay. He's basically saying that the focus shouldn't be on Bitcoin, it should be on blockchain. And that's fair, I agree with him. But if you do dissect this article a bit, you will notice that he doesn't have a firm grasp of really what Bitcoin is. And again, I mean, the banks in Canada are making it extremely hard for exchanges in Canada. The One Main Canada here, Quadriga CX, they're making it absolutely impossible for their users to send money fiat from the banks into their currency, digital currencies, and they're not making it easy. So I think the one thing they could do is definitely give a little bit of assistance here to the Canadian exchanges and allow us to get on board here with this new blockchain revolution. But clearly they're making it harder, and there's not much we can do about that but wait. So not much else in the news today. The big news yesterday was the SegWit 2x pending fork here with the ticker names, as well as the Bitcoin Gold fork. And as you can see, Bitcoin Gold is on a downward trend here, but we won't see it hitting the markets officially until about November 1st, although exchanges do say that they will have access to it within the next 24 hours, so we'll have to wait and see. But from that perspective, the next fork is coming up here November 16th as of now. And so we will start to see a small climb again of the Bitcoin funds. But until then, we just need to relax, enjoy the ride. And thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button, and we will see you in the next one.